compression refrigeration system னா பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம வீட்ல யூஸ் பண்ற ஃப்ரிட்ஜ் வந்து இதுக்கு ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இதுல என்னென்ன பார்ட்ஸ்லாம் இருக்குன்னு பார்ப்போம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இதுல கம்ப்ரஸர், condenser, expansion devices, evaporator. The four parts very important parts. இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா இப்போ வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம black diagram பார்க்கலாம். Simple black diagram. This is the compressor. This is the condenser. Then expansion device. Then evaporator. Again join to the compressor, right? Compressor, condenser, expansion, evaporator. So compressor, with the help of compressor to compress the air and vapor come out from the evaporator, right? So at the end of the compressor, the air and vapor temperature should be very high. Temperature and pressure should be very high at the end of the compressor. The high pressure, high temperature vapor come out from the compressor is enter into the condenser. This is the second part, condenser. With the help of condenser fan or cooling fans, the air temperature, the vapor or the air temperature is to be reduced, right? At the end of the condenser, the condensation is to be done with the help of condenser. At the end of the condenser, the vapor temperature pressure is to be somewhat lesser than that of the compressor, right? So then third part is expansion devices. With the help of expansion devices, the temperature and pressure is to be further reduced because here very limited diameter capillary tubes are used. So further temperature and pressure will be reduced with the help of expansion devices. Part of the liquid is also converted with the help of expansion devices. So here temperature is to be very lesser, right? So last part is evaporator. This is the very important part of the refrigerator. So because with the help of evaporator only the maximum amount of cooling process to be done, right? So evaporation coils are immersed in nature. So in the type of evaporator, the low temperature pressure temperature, that is low temperature pressure vapor come out from the expansion device is enter into the evaporator. At the end of the evaporator, very low temperature, low pressure vapor come out from the evaporator. This low temperature, low pressure vapor is entered into the compressor again. This is the closed cycle. The entire four parts are again and again the same function process to be going on. It is a closed cycle. The type of vapor compression refrigeration system, with the help of compression of vapor, the cycle is to be running, right? Then the cycle is generally called as vapor compression refrigeration system. The another one system is there, that is vapor absorption refrigeration system. Vapor absorption refrigeration system means what? With the help of absorption of vapor, the refrigeration process to be done, right? Because the system is to be generally called as vapor absorption refrigeration system. Let us see in the next class. The vapor refrigeration system is discussed with the next class. Okay, thank you.